Welcome to your very own backyard oasis. Here, every corner is designed to invite calm warmth and joy. This outdoor kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a stage for life's precious moments, from morning breakfasts to quiet evenings beneath the open sky. As the sun slowly dips below the horizon, the atmosphere shifts. The soft glow of lights and the warmth of a fire beckon you to pause, converse, and savor the evening. This is a place where beauty and comfort coexist effortlessly. More than a kitchen, this space is the heart of connection. Laughter, conversation, and shared meals happen here. It's where friends become family, and ordinary moments transform into memories that linger long after the night ends. Step into a space crafted for living fully outdoors. Every detail, from the polished countertops to the comfortable seating, invites you to slow down, breathe, and enjoy life as it unfolds under the sky. Modern elegance meets outdoor living in this sleek design. Clean lines, cool surfaces, and subtle lighting create a kitchen that feels effortless yet luxurious, a perfect balance of style and function for today's outdoor lifestyle. Rustic charm brings warmth and soul to your alfresco space. The tactile textures of wood and stone, the gentle flicker of firelight, create a sanctuary that feels timeless, welcoming everyone to linger and enjoy. Inspired by the sun-drenched coasts of the Mediterranean, this outdoor kitchen brings a sense of timeless elegance. Olive trees, warm tiles, and intricate ironwork evoke a lifestyle that celebrates food, nature, and conviviality. Step into a tropical escape right in your backyard. The rustle of palm leaves, the aroma of fresh herbs, and the relaxed charm of natural materials transport you to a paradise where cooking and nature are one. Even a compact space can become a functional haven. Every corner is designed for efficiency without sacrificing style, proving that great design is not about size, it's about intention and detail. Luxury meets leisure in this alfresco retreat. Every element, from the stone countertops to the glimmering pool, has been carefully curated to create an outdoor kitchen that feels indulgent, yet effortlessly inviting. Imagine the hypnotic dance of fire and the calm reflection of water in your backyard. Together, they create a multisensory experience, space to cook, entertain, and simply be. For the grill masters and flavor enthusiasts, this is a sanctuary of culinary delight. The aroma of smoky herbs mingles with laughter, making every meal a sensory experience that lingers long after the food is gone. As night falls, the soft glow of string lights and flickering candles transforms your backyard into a magical gathering space. Conversations flow, wine glasses clink, and every evening feels like a celebration. true alfresco kitchen welcomes everyone. Children play freely while meals are prepared, blending the rhythm of family life with the joy of cooking outdoors. Every moment is alive with connection and laughter. Nature becomes part of your kitchen. Verdant walls, lush plants, and fragrant herbs surround you, creating a calming retreat that nourishes both body and soul while you cook. Bring the serenity of the coast into your backyard. Soft colors, breezy textures, and natural materials evoke calm, making each meal a seaside escape without leaving home. Designed for the art of entertaining, this space accommodates friends, family, and celebration. From the first cocktail to the last bite, every element supports joy, connection, and effortless hospitality. As night deepens, dynamic lighting and glowing accents create a vibrant social hub. It's where culinary craft meets nightlife energy, inviting you to linger, toast, and savor every moment. Embrace the charm of the countryside with rustic textures and natural materials. The outdoor kitchen becomes a timeless escape, blending old-world warmth with modern convenience. Simplicity has its own power. In a minimal Zen-inspired space, calm and clarity reign. Cooking becomes meditative, every detail harmonizing with the gentle flow of life around you. Celebrate the seasons in your backyard. Each change in color, texture, or light adds personality and delight, keeping your alfresco kitchen fresh, inspiring, and alive throughout the year. An island is more than just a surface, it's a hub for activity, conversation, and creativity. With thoughtful design, it supports preparation, dining, and entertaining all at once. Golden light fills the sky as friends raise their glasses. In this moment, the outdoor kitchen becomes a backdrop for stories, laughter, and memories that linger long after the sun disappears. The art of cooking outdoors is a performance of senses. Flames, aromas, and textures converge, reminding us that food is not just sustenance, but a celebration of life itself. Under a blanket of stars, the outdoor kitchen takes on a magical quality. It's a place for quiet reflection, intimate dinners, and moments where the world feels infinite and serene. This is your ultimate outdoor kitchen oasis. A space for living fully, connecting deeply, and celebrating every meal as more than just food and experience. A memory, a home for your heart.